Welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I am Chandrani. In this tutorial we will learn how to draw a character design of a child from scratch. Let's get started. Draw a circle for the head and then draw straight lines to make the face angle. Then draw the action line to make sure the posture. Line of action is very important for character design. It helps to draw the angle of the whole posture of your character. While making a character, we have to make sure about the nature of our character. Like this is a cute little girl. She is wearing butterfly wings and she is very cute, innocent. So the expression of each and every posture are also important too. Expression changes according to the posture, so both are vital for a character. After making the main character, we can understand how it's gonna be look like. Then according to those points, we will try to make different angles and expressions. Always start the drawing with circle, then position the straight lines on the circle for the head angle. Finally, make the action line however you want it to be. I prefer to draw the face at the end of my drawing. I don't know why. I feel more comfort for this. Here, practice is the main key. The more you will practice, the more you will be sharp. Making a character is the most interesting and an excellent part of any story works. As we are doing rough sketches, so it's not important to make it clear. It's just a rough idea about the character. Try to make different kinds of character and give them expressions and posture. Just practice and have patience. Now I am coloring the character as it's not too detailed work, so I choose a simple kiddish hand drawing style. To make it more beautiful and eye-catching, I am adding borders. For cartoon drawing, applying border will add more beauty of the drawing. So this was all for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have learned something. If you do so, please hit the like button. And if you are new, please do subscribe my channel if you want to learn art, both digitally and hand drawings. And of course, leave your comments on the comment section below if you have any question related to art. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.